Hello students, today we are doing sum number 4, 5, 6 of exercise 11.1. As we have discussed all these sums in our online class, but still I want to do these sums again because they 1, 2, 3 we have discussed clearly and 4, 5, 6 we have done hurriedly. So I want you to repeat these sums again here. So fourth sum is write algebraic expression. Students, you have been given terms only and there is comma sign in between the terms and you have to write the algebraic expression for this. Fourth sum, 3 parts are there. So simple sum it is, just you simply have to put plus sign in place of commas. Wherever there are commas you will put plus sign, and when there is minus sign you will put minus sign. Okay, so first algebraic expression I have to write. It will be, first term is 4x cube, same as it is, and then there is comma, we will put plus sign, 5x square y plus 12xy. Okay, comma, in place of comma just place the plus sign, and there is and minus sign. I will write directly minus sign, 8x square y cube z. This is my algebraic expression. As you know, the algebraic expression is a phrase in which plus and minus sign are there in between the terms. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression. Same in the second and third part, wherever there are commas you will place plus sign, and if the term is negative you will place minus sign in between them. Okay, so rest root 2 parts you can do. I will send the PDFs also, you can see there also. Identify, next sum number 5, identify the monomial, binomial and trinomial. Students, we have already discussed monomial means having one term, binomial means having two terms, trinomial means having three terms. So first part, 9a b square c minus 5ab plus 10. How many terms are there? For one term, two term and three terms. So you will write, since there are three terms, therefore it is a trinomial. Similarly, when there will be two terms, you can say that it is binomial. When there will be one term, like the third part, you can see the third part, 18x cube divided by 6x. So students, what you will do, you will divide it first, you will convert into a single term, 18x cube divided by 6x, and then you will be getting only 3x square. It is a single term, then you can say that it is a monomial. Okay, so